Alright, hey guys, here we have a Kmart box fan, model S223, second gen, relabeled from Lakewood, obviously sold at Kmart. Yeah, these are really cool fans. I don't know why, but the Kmart label just makes it so much cooler, because this is back in the heyday of Kmart before they, wouldn't call it bankrupt, because they are still technically a store, but barely. Yeah, this fan was a little dirty. Cleaned it up. Not perfect, but it's not bad. It at least looks pretty good. Nice thing is, 100% of the slats are there. All intact. Another thing I noticed is that this says 1 point, was it 1 point, no, 2.4 amps on the motor, yet down here, I think it said 2.7, though I don't think you're going to be able to see that. Yeah, no, that's not going to show up. So, thought it was interesting they had two separate current ratings. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and start off on low. Hopefully we don't let any magic smoke out like we almost did last night. And then getting a little dust over here because there's a little dust buildup on the side that I was kind of scraping off. Alright, let's go to medium. See the old Kmart label. I think they have a new design a couple years back. Something in an attempt to revise the stores that obviously didn't work, because who's going to care so much about a sign? Again, I like the blades, how they actually throw the air out instead of a solid cyclone in front of the fan. That you get with some metal bladed fans. Something just got thrown out. Alright, let's do spin down. Alright, there's my Kmart box fan. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.